I'm breaking down the top AI certifications that are worth more than a degree right now. Because while a degree takes 4 years, these AI certifications take 4 months or less and can double your starting salary. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Category 1. Best for beginners and specialists. If you're looking to pivot your career this weekend, these are the fastest paths to entry. We're starting with the foundations and moving to the highest paying agentic roles. 1. Google AI Essentials. This is a 10-hour introductory course offered by Google on Coursera that focuses on immediate productivity, from using AI to summarize emails to mastering prompt engineering. It's designed for absolute beginners who want to use AI to speed up their current daily tasks. It's perfect for those who want a quick 2026 relevant AI-ready badge on their LinkedIn without any technical background. The average starting salary for Google AI Essentials holders is $120,000. 2. Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals, AI 900. This is a foundational certification offered by Microsoft that covers basic AI concepts like machine learning and computer vision and how they're implemented within the Azure cloud ecosystem. It's an entry-level exam that proves you understand the why and how of corporate AI. The AI 900 is perfect for non-technical professionals who need to speak AI in a corporate environment. The average starting salary is $123,000. 3. UiPath Agentic Automation Associate. This is the breakout certification of 2026 offered by UiPath. It moves beyond simple chatbots and teaches you how to build agents, AI that can actually execute multi-step business workflows like an employee. It's perfect for operations managers and low-code specialists who want to automate their company's internal processes. The average starting salary for UiPath Agentic Automation Associate is $135,000. Category 2. Best for strategy and management. These roles are for the architects, the people who decide how a company uses AI rather than writing the code themselves. This is where the salary floor jumps significantly. 1. AI Product Manager Professional Certificate. IBM offers this program through Coursera and focuses on the specialized lifecycle of managing AI-driven products, from data sourcing to ethical deployment. It bridges the gap between the engineering team and the business stakeholders. The average starting salary for IBM AI Product Manager Professional Certificate is $130,000, with total compensation reaching $200,000 at top-tier firms. 2. Certified AI Governance Professional, AIGP. This high-demand credential is offered by the IAPP, International Association of Privacy Professionals. It is specifically designed to manage the risks and legal compliance of AI, which is mandatory under the 2026 Global AI Regulations. For AIGP certified pros, the average starting salary is $154,000. Finally, remember that a certificate is only 50% of the equation. You must pair it with a project portfolio that shows what you actually built using that AI tool. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best AI career tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.